Just been using the big rig to get a bale of silage on. Wait to get that loaded on the trailer. Well, I've just loaded it on the trailer, I'll show you that. I'm going to tie it on, take it over to the farm and get it into the sheepies. So that'll be the first silage bale of 2025. Lambing will be next. Right, let's go and see us tying it on. Hey! An happy mess at start to tie me up, so had a couple of things on my trailer last, and as you can see, just left all the straps at the backside. Now they are soaking wet and needing dry. But hey ho. But rain or liquor never killed me indeed. Smells good, the silage. I hope it's good on the inside. Better put one front to back as well. Peer out of that. That's not going anywhere. Right. I shall tidy up these. I'll need to put these in the shed to dry. Set them on that trailer. Brother will be waiting on us with a 40 at the other farm. Oh, nothing worse than wet straps, is there? Right. Oh! Right, lovely. And get the Jeep on now. Camera's banging. Should have cleaned that before finding the net. That's a good one. Got some yows in the wee sheddy. Picking out a wee bit of straw. And I'm going to put in this first bale of silage. Looks alright. Just running a couple of earthy boxes of sacks and over. Doing a bit of ploughing, starting a tatty field, so they're just adjusting the plough, make it deep enough for tatties. And I'm doing the hard job. I'm staying in the truck, keeping cosy.